Understanding Pruning Workshop, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, pruning workshop. This is a unique expression, and understanding it can really enhance your English language skills. Whether you're a gardener, a language enthusiast, or just curious, this video will shed light on what this phrase means and how it's used. Pruning workshop consists of two words, pruning and workshop. Pruning is a gardening term that means cutting off parts of plants to improve their growth or appearance. A workshop, in general English, refers to a meeting or a class where a group of people engage in intensive discussion or activity on a particular subject or project. A pruning workshop is a practical session or class where people learn how to prune plants. It usually involves hands-on experience, where participants actively engage in pruning under the guidance of an expert. These workshops can be beneficial for both beginners and experienced gardeners looking to improve their skills. Let's see how to use this phrase in a sentence. I attended a pruning workshop at the local botanical garden to learn how to properly trim my roses. The community center is hosting a pruning workshop next weekend for anyone interested in gardening. We hope this video helped you understand what a pruning workshop is and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is like gardening. It requires regular practice and care. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.